Welcome back to Product Critique, where we explore the best products to enhance your lifestyle. Today, we're diving into a delightful seasonal favorite that captures the essence of fall, the Yankee Candle Apple Pumpkin Candle. If you're looking to fill your home with the warm, inviting scents of fresh apples and pumpkins, you're in for a treat. Let's talk about what makes this candle so special. The Yankee Candle Apple Pumpkin is a classic large jar candle, renowned for its comforting aroma that perfectly embodies the cozy vibes of autumn. When you light this candle, you're instantly transported to a serene orchard, surrounded by ripe apples and sweet pumpkins, blended beautifully with hints of ginger and clove. What's unique about this candle is not just the delightful fragrance but also its quality. Crafted with paraffin-grade wax, it promises a clear, consistent burn that lasts for an impressive 110 to 150 hours. Imagine the hours of ambiance this candle can provide. You can enjoy its lovely scent while hosting friends, or simply unwind after a long day. Now, let's break down the fragrance notes. The top notes are a crisp blend of apple, yellow fruits, orange, fresh greens, and butter, creating a sweet, inviting aroma that's perfect for welcoming guests. As the candle burns, you'll notice the heart of the scent: a rich base of vanilla, caramelized sugar, baked pie crust, and cream, which adds a warm, indulgent touch. It's like having a slice of pumpkin pie in your home without the calories. Not only does this candle smell amazing, but it also makes a wonderful gift for friends and family. With its beautiful orange hue, it complements any autumn decor and makes for a charming centerpiece. Plus, the classic jar design fits seamlessly into any room, whether it's your living room, kitchen, or even your office. And if you're worried about quality, Yankee Candle has built a solid reputation for creating high-quality products. Their attention to detail in fragrance formulation and candle construction ensures that you get a reliable product every time. Before we wrap up, let's talk about availability. You can easily find the Yankee Candle Apple Pumpkin Candle on Amazon. And it's often on sale currently. It's priced at just $15.50, a steal for a candle that lasts for days on end. So, whether you're looking to create a warm ambiance at home, impress your guests with a lovely scent, or simply treat yourself, the Yankee Candle Apple Pumpkin is definitely worth considering. It truly is one of the best options out there for capturing the spirit of autumn. Thanks for tuning into Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more products like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Share your thoughts in the comments below if you've tried this candle or if there's another fall favorite we should check out. Until next time, stay cozy and enjoy the scents of the season.